Hey guys, I'm doing all the HackerRank Java problems on this channel, so you can find a link in the description box to all the problems and you'll be provided with all the solutions. So let's take this question today, the Java Static Initializer Block. So here we have given two lines of input. The first line contains b, breadth of the parallelogram, and the next line contains h, the height of the parallelogram. So if b is less than 0 and h is less than 0, the output should be an exception calling breadth and height must be positive. So we are given two inputs and we need to print the area of the parallelogram, that means b into h, and if one of the input is negative or equal to 0, that means we need to print this exception because breadth and height cannot be less than or equal to 0. And the only twist in this problem is that we need to use the static keyword here, and so let's try to code it. So here we have already given this part, so they are using a f statement with a flag boolean. So if flag is true, then this code will run, that means we will get the area b into h, and if flag is negative, then this code will not run. So let's try to code it. So we'll start with taking the int static b and static int h, and also the boolean static boolean flag, and let's take it true. Now let's make the static, and here we will take the scanner. Now we need to take the input, so capital B is equal to sc dot next. So next in is the method that we use to input integer type, so and h will also have the same value here, next int. Then we will use the condition that b and h cannot be less than 0. So if b is less than or equal to 0, or h is less than or equal to 0, then we will throw our then flag will be equal to false, and we will throw our exception system dot out println, and we will copy this part, Control C, and if both are greater than or it's not equal to 0, then we will use our else statement. So else flag will be equal to true. So let's run the code. So it's correct. So I hope you understood the method and the problem, and if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and peace.